Finance, example 5A and B. Let's continue with the scenario we were just looking at on the previous page. Suppose you deposit $10,000 in a bank account that earns 3% interest compounded monthly. Okay, so it looks like we are putting money into the bank one time, $1,000. Okay, so that's our principal. And our interest rate as a decimal is 3/100. It's compounded monthly, so monthly, that is our N. How much money will be in the account after 18 months? So our time is in years, 12 months in a year, so that'll be 1.5. So when they're asking us how much money will be in the account after 8 months, they want our total amount, what we will also call the future value. So using the compound interest formula, the principal is 10,000 times 1 plus that 3/100 divided by 12 raised to the 12 times 1.5 power. I generally think it's a good idea to go ahead and multiply this out, and we are going to get 18, which doesn't surprise us too much because we had 18 months, 18 compounding periods. So when you put this in your calculator, you should come up with, rounding to the nearest penny, $10,459.69. So what about 15 years? Now everything is going to be the same except for our time is 15. So it's going to be 10,000 times 1 plus that 3/100 divided by 12. This time I'm going to have 12 times 15. And that will give us 180. So when we type this in our calculator and round to the nearest penny, I get $15,674.32. Now we've answered their questions, but I just want to remind us how much of this is interest. Okay, well, we put in $10,000. $459.69 of this is interest. And over here, if our original amount was $10,000, you earned $5,674.32 cents for interest.